to fight the inevitable fall, to be with the inevitable sorrow, to walk when the prey turn and go. But the unrightable wrong, to love pure and chains from afar, to try when your arms are too sorrow, to reach the invisible stars. This is my quest, to follow the stars, no matter how hopeless, no matter how far, to fight for the right, and look at sort of pause, to be willing to march into hell for a heavenly cause. And I know if I only be true to this glorious quest, that my heart will like peaceful and calm when I'm led to my rest, and the world will be bare for peace. The one man then cover his heart.